In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify HSBC card for Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add and verify your card on your Apple Wallet. This will allow you to use your HSBC card with Apple Pay as the payment method, either in physical stores or online. So, whenever you open the Apple Wallet, you tap the plus sign and you choose debit or credit card, you will be able to manually input all of the details, so a card number, expiration date, security code, and so on. Or alternatively, you can start this process by going over to the HSBC app and finding the Add to Apple Wallet button underneath your card. By doing this, the last step required will be for you to verify the card, and you can easily do this by choosing any of the methods available underneath your card. So usually, the main one is always going to be a text message, and this will allow you to receive an SMS with a verification code that you have to paste on this window whenever you choose next. However, you might also see additional options to verify this card, such as an email that you have to receive to get a code, dialing a specific number, or using the HSBC app. To keep it simple, choose from any of the methods that you see. Whenever you choose something like text message, you will be guided through the process. So for text message, email, and so on, you will receive a code that you have to paste, and then immediately upon pasting that code and choosing next, it is going to be verified. You can repeat this process with as many HSBC cards as you have, and overall, the steps are going to be generally the same for other cards from other issuers. If text message does not work, choose from any of the other methods available on the list. And as long as you use the application or you go over to the Apple Wallet and you choose the plus sign to add a new debit or credit card, you will be able to get it done and also verify the card through any of the means available. I hope I was able to help you on how to verify HSBC card for Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.